Okay, so now we are going to solve question number 8, JEE Advanced 2018. The number of 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 4 with digits from the set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the repetition of digits is allowed. So here we need to form 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 4. So now we will remember those properties where numbers are divisible by 4. So if I recall, then the numbers which are divisible by 4, for those numbers last 2 digits are also divisible by 4. So we need to form 5-digit numbers. So for example, this is first digit, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so these two are the last 2 places. So if here whatever 2 digits you will place or we will place, these 2 digits, last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. So now we have to form, okay, what are those 2 digits we have to keep over here. Okay, so let's get started. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here I am trying to form such numbers. We have total digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So for these two, if I write here 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I write here 1 and 2, then it will be 12. Okay. And 12 is divisible by 4. It means, yeah, 12 is possible. So, okay, let us discuss one by one. So, okay, if I start by 1, so then 1 and 2 is valid. 1 and 3 does not divisible by 4. 1, 4, 14 also not. 1, 5, 15 also not. Then we will start by 2. 2, 1, 21. 21 is also not divisible by 4. Then 2, 3 not. 2, 4. Okay, now this is here 2 and here 4. So 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Then 2, 4 we did. 2, 5 is also not possible. Now 3. 3, 1 is not possible. 3, 2, yes. This is 3 and 2. This is 32. And 32 is divisible by 4. Now 3, 4 is also not possible. 3, 5 is also not possible. Now we will start by 4. So 4, 1 not possible. 4, 2 not possible. 4, 3 not possible. But 4, 4 is possible because digits can repeat. It is mentioned in the question. Now 4, 5 is also not possible. Then we will start by 5. 5, 1 not possible. 5, 2 possible. And 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 not possible. Similarly, 1, 1 not possible. 2, 2 not possible. 3, 3 not possible. So we got 1, 2, 3. 3 places here. Here, here and here. So this, for example, this is the first case. In this case, this must be 1 and 2. Here 2 and 4, 3 and 2, 4, 4 and 5, 2. These are the 5 cases. Okay. So let us understand in first case. So in first case, 1 and 2 is fixed. What about these 3 places? Digits can repeat. Repetition of digits is allowed. So this can be filled by any one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this place can be filled by 5 ways. This is 5 ways. This is not 5 ways. Similarly, digits can repeat. So this can be also filled by 5 ways. Similarly, this can be also filled by 5 ways. So these are the ways. 5 times 5 times 5. 1 and 2. That is 12, it means that is fixed. So 5 times 5 times 5, how much? 5 times 5 times 5. So this is first case. Similarly, second case also 5, 5, 5. 5 times 5 times 5 times. 5 times 5 times 5 times. 5 times 5 times 5 times. So this is 5, 5, 5, I mean 125. So here 125. Cases 125, 125, 125, 125. By the way, 5 times. 5, 5, 5. Now times 5. Why this 5? Because of 5 number of cases we got. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because of this 5. And why these 3, 5? Because of this one. 5 ways, 5 ways, 5 ways. So if you multiply, then this is 625. So what was the question? Question was the number of 5-digit numbers. So number of 5-digit numbers is 625. So this is integer type problem, but in 2018 they have changed the pattern. Previously it was from 0 to 9 and I mean single digit number. This time they have changed the pattern. They have given a question which is based on integer, but this time it is not between 0 and 9. It can be even 0.5 also. It can be greater than 9 also, like 625.